Sasha, let's do a sit stay with distractions. Sit. Good. Sasha, stay. Rawhide, weave it. Big ear. Ooh, nice looking rawhide bone. Some little treats. Weave it. Good. Toys. Squeaky toy. Weave it. Good. Very good. Very good. And then before I release her, I'll be ready to do a sneak away in case she goes for any of that. Okay, good. Or step into the leash side. Alright, maybe we'll do a little bit of leash shielding. We'll start out over here. Sasha, sit. Good. Yep. Nice slack leash. Pop her into her sit if she doesn't do it. Yep. Good. Over here. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Keep that head up off the ground a little. Stop. Good. Straight. Very good. Heel. Sasha, down. We're moving down, out to the end of the leash. She has to creep in, and we'll correct her for that. Turn to her side. Sasha, heel. Right out of it. And maybe a moving sit. Sasha, sit. To the front, pop up. Out to the end of the leash again. Very good, girl. And now we'll do a recall. Sasha, front. And when she's to return toe-to-toe with me, she's a little far away there, so I'll bring her in a little bit. Good. Straighten her out. Very good. Are you ready? Okay, good girl.